All right, we have made the robot chase after and be able to pop the ball. We have our cat that's able to catch the ball and will generate a score up here. We also have the robot, if it touches the cat, shutting down the program. We're going to add, or not shutting down the program, but at least stopping the game. We're going to add another layer of difficulty to this. And in order to do that, we want to make the robot be able to go faster. So we want to go down to variables. We are going to create a new variable. This variable is going to be titled robot speed. It can stay for all sprites. We're only going to use it for the one robot, but it can stay for all sprites. And we don't need to see the robot speed, so we're going to uncheck this box down here. If you wanted to see how the robot was speeding up, you could keep that there, but we're going to go ahead and hide that. So we want this to apply to our robot. So we're going to click down here for robot, and we're going to add to the programming. So we're going to break this chain temporarily after when the green flag is clicked, and we want to set robot speed. So we're going to use the set and robot speed. And just to start it off, so he is moving, we'll give him a number 2. Bring that chain back in, set size to 50%, forever, point towards ball, and move. We're actually going to change this from move 5 steps to move robot speed steps. So drag this guy in and place it over the 5. So right now, that will move him at 2. It's not a variable because we've set it to 2 just now. We have to do something now into the ball. So if I click the green flag just to see how slow the robot is moving. He catches the ball and he doesn't really speed up. He's moving that 2 speed instead of the 5 speed that we had him before, which is fine, but we want to make this a little bit more difficult. So from here, go back to the ball setting, or the ball bricks, and we're going to add in this one that we did for the robot. So we're going to leave the one where the ball touches the cat alone, but we're going to come over here and point in direction. Our new program is going to happen after this. So the robot touches the ball, plays the sound boing, and then what we're going to do is change, not cat score, but robot speed by 1. So every time that robot catches the ball, his speed increases by 1 time. So if I click the flag now, you should see him start off at 2, but every time he catches the ball, he speeds up just a little bit more. If you wanted to see what his speed was, you can bring that robot speed option back and see how quickly he can speed up. It'd be almost impossible for me to try to catch the ball at that stage. If you think the increasing it by 1 is too much, you can change this to a fractional number or a decimal number, so you can increase by half each time, etc., etc. So that concludes that. We've got a little bit of finishing touches for this game, and we're going to leave this at changing robot speed by half, or by 0.5.